in chapter 3, Karma Yoga of Bhagavad Gita, there is a beautiful sloka number 21. What does it say? Yadyada charati shreshtaha tatta deve tarojanaha sayat pramanam kurute lokastadanu vartate. The meaning is very simple but very, very impactful. Yet acharati shreshtaha, meaning what all noble people follow, what all they demonstrate, what all they do, tat eva itara janaha, meaning others who are their followers, who are their believers, blindly follow. Sayat pramanam kurute, whatever they demonstrate, not what they preach, what they follow, what they do, what they demonstrate. Sayat pramanam kurute lokastadanu vartate, meaning everyone who believe in them blindly imitate. Such a beautiful shloka. It has a meaningful meaning for today's problem. What is today's problem? So a lot of Bollywood actors and cricketers who have a lot of fan following, you know what mistake are they doing? They're eating all this gutka masala and everything and doing advertisement, misguiding the people, misguiding their followers that it is a fashion to do, it is a right thing to do. And people who smoke also set an example. Oh, a hero is smoking like this, so all the fans will follow this. So anything, drinking also, all these are wrong habits. When you're a famous person, when you believe there are a lot of followers, you need to have extra responsibility. You do have extra responsibility to do the right thing, to talk the right thing. Never misguide people, never be the reason for spoiling the environment. Same way when you take institutions. If institutions follow the right sustainable habits, all the children studying in those institutions, be it schools or colleges, they look up to the institution as a temple. They look up to them as a noble organization that we have to learn from that. If the organizations, if the institutions don't follow sustainable habits, if they use all the disposable in their events, annual days, fests, sports day, etc., what message are the children taking? Oh, my school is doing this, so I can also do it. There is nothing, no problem. So everyone has the responsibility, even as adults, as parents, who look at us as noble people, our children. So you may be a small person, you may not be a famous personality, but for you, you have people in whose eyes you are noble. You may be a noble person for your children. Your children follow what you do. So as leading people of the organization, you are leading an organization. Unless you demonstrate habits which are noble, you don't expect your followers to do the right thing. Whatever you do, your followers will do. So be extra careful, be extra responsible in what you talk, what you choose.